So right now I will show you how to add controls to Control Center in iOS 18 on iPhone. In iOS 18, you will be able to easily customize or add remove controls from your Control Center. And in this short video, I'll show you how to do it. Before starting, make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 18. And then just open your Control Center. And now to add any control to your Control Center, tap on this plus icon at the top left corner. And then you will directly jump into Control Center editing page. Here just tap on add a control. And here you will find lots of controls. You can add any of them in your Control Center. To search for a specific control, all you have to need, just in this search controls box, type the control name that you want to add. For example, I want to add calculator. So I'm searching for calculator, and here we can see the calculator. So I'm tapping on calculator, and as you can see, the control add date. Once the control add date, you can resize the control. To resize, just tap on this wide circle and just drag your finger, and that's how you will be able to make your control large or small. And to change the control position, just tap and drag the control to change its position. And that's it. That's how we can add controls to control panel. And to remove any control, just tap on this minus icon and the control will be removed from your Control Center. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.